Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video what is add member tag on your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you don't know about add member tag on your WhatsApp, and if you want to use or if you want to know how to use add member tag, then I will show you simple method how to use this. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp, then we will open any one of the group, then tap on this group name, then scroll down. Here you will find add members option. Under that you can see the members, and if you want to mention any tag for your name, just select your name, and here you can mention any tag under your name. For example, I will write as admin, then I will click on save. Then under my name it will show as admin. Then I will go back and just I will send any message, and if someone see this message, and under my name it will show as admin. That's it guys. So in this way you can add member tag, and in this way you can use add member tag on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.